If you're watching this video, you're probably looking for some help. And I must stress that my channel provides help to homeowners, not only in the United States, but also in Canada. Hey guys, my name is Danny Sai, and if you're watching this, it's probably because something doesn't feel quite right when it comes to your house or your finances. Maybe you're behind payments, or maybe you've received a notice of default, or you're just overwhelmed. Let me start by saying this. You are not alone, and we have worked with a lot of families across Canada and United States who felt the same way, because they're going through something. And with somebody who's gone through something similar like this, I sympathize with the situation. And that's just being a human being. Now, there's no shame in going through this because we're all human beings. Life just happens. Jobs do get lost, right? Like who said that, corporate jobs, corporate companies are not lost or they don't lay off people? At the present moment, while I'm recording this video, thousands of companies are, replacing humans with AI. That's one of the reason of job loss, right? I saw Amazon, you know, lay off so many people. It's not the fault of nobody. It's just the situation and the world that we are living in. Emergencies, emergencies happen all the time, right? It could be a small emergency, it could be a big emergency, but we are human beings. So this is how, I look at situations and I sympathize with situations. Uh, Sometimes it might not be a situation, but it might be a home that needs some work. And as a retail buyer, put yourself in their place, right? If you are going in the retail market and you see a home on Zillow, Redfin, Realtor .com, Realtor.ca, wherever you're seeing a house to buy, you want to buy a beautiful home. You don't want to buy a home that needs work. You don't want to buy a home where you need to put more time in repairs, because let's face it, our families want everything perfect and beautiful. And that's the reason such homes don't sell very well on the retail market, even though realtors can, promise you anything. But the fact is, retail buyers want the house in 10 out of 10 condition, right? That's what I've noticed, and that's what I'm sharing over the video. It might be slightly different in your market or where you are, but that doesn't mean that the perspective changes. Now, what most people also don't realize is there's no one size fits all solution, because every human being, every homeowner, every house has a different situation, right? So if you understand what I'm saying, it's I can't give you a solution without understanding where you come from, what's the situation, what's the condition of the home. And that's the reason I'll drop in the link below my phone number and my website. And it's not a fancy website. It's basically, once you click on it, it's going to ask you questions. You submit your questions, you submit your contact details, and we'll give you a call, right? So I just wanted to say that there's no one size fits all. There are multiple strategies. As who I am, I create, and you can't get them outside with realtors or with agents or with banks. And we sometimes need to come up with creative stuff because, as I said, the situation or the home or the finances are in a different place. So we have to come up with some creative strategies. And that's what I do, right? I come up with multiple strategies. I will show you the strategies. I will explain to you the strategies. And if you like them, you are the one who to decide. It's not me to decide because it's your home, it's your finances, and it's something that you need to tackle. I'm just here to share some of my strategies that I come up with for saving, helping, building credit, and all that good stuff. Now, if this video has, given you any value, I'll appreciate if you can subscribe or hit the comment below and, tell me what you think about this video. And if this video talks to you, or you can think of a person that might be looking for somebody like myself, I'll request you, please share my channel, share this video with that friend, with that family, with that relative, whoever it may be, because that's what matters, right? That's what really matters. So at the end of this video, I'm going to, be saying goodbye to you. But before I say goodbye to you, right, the reason of you coming on this channel and watching this video so far, there has to be something that you're looking for. And ask yourself, what would that piece look like for you if I could create that solution for you? That matters the most. That matters more than any number on the spreadsheet. Guys, if this video provided you any value, please share it. Because sometimes the right solution doesn't come from an agent. It comes from an individual who has gone through a lot of things. Goodbye for now. Thank you very much.